actually doing a salad with lots of veggies, and then I'm going to show you how to make a salad dressing. We know a lot of people have been asking like about salad dressings, and you know, you can have a really healthy salad and then you start dashing these store-bought salad dressings. They're full of sodium, full of fat, and full of calories. So right, I have some romaine lettuce. Okay, we're going to add some cucumbers. We have some fresh chopped up cucumbers. This is very veggie, this salad, and I like it's very crunchy, which I like. We're going to add some red cabbage. Then we're going to red peppers. Put some more in there. We have chopped up celery, very crunchy. And some orange peppers. The red cabbage is good in vitamin E and vitamin C. We have all this other good stuff going in. Put a little bit of red onion and some carrots. There you go. Right, so we're going to toss that up. Nice toss. We've got lots of colors in there. A few more on the top, a bit more color. It doesn't all fall to the bottom.
Oh, it looks great.
Now we're going to do a homemade salad dressing. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use like 2 pieces of fresh garlic. I have some garlic already prepped over here. So 2 pieces of fresh garlic, a couple of small knobs of ginger, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Don't forget, some of them contain very high in salt, so I've actually got the low in salt. We'll use 2 of them because I'm making quite a big salad here. 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. A little bit more and some sesame oil. Use 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And I'm going to quickly give that a blend. Oh, so good. So we're going to pour it on our salad. Good old toss up. I'll put it on our serving plate.
We've been talking a lot about like, you know, the strategies for losing weight and stuff this month. Always think about that. Look at this beautiful salad. So one great thing to do is start your meal with like a large salad before you do whatever you're gonna have. This is a large salad. It's also going to give you also the nutrients, but it'll also fill you up with fiber and stuff, so you will be less hungry. Or you can reduce the portions for the main course. So it's a great idea to do that.
Okay, I've just put some slivered almonds, sliced almonds, on the top, and then I'm just going to finish it off with some sesame seeds. Roasted sesames.
Look at that.
And that is your salad. Tastes delicious, all great ingredients, you know, no additional, no additional calories or preservatives or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. It's filling, tastes so good and delicious. Alrighty, so this week I did water of the week. The water of the week is I boiled ginger this morning with some lemon, okay? And you can add some honey to it. You can have it hot or cold. I love it hot This is actually lukewarm. I let it cool down off the saucepan, but definitely really, really good drink to have. Soothing, it's sweet if you want to put your honey in the evening. And that's about it. If you do do any of these recipes, feel free to like send us pictures. We love pictures. So if you have any you know, questions, take care everyone, and we'll see you
care,
all soon.
everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye.